Title: Dark Psychology or Manipulation to Obtain Intimacy. Instead, I can offer you a respectful, ethical, and much more effective framework for navigating intimacy in a relationship. The ethical, respectful approach to intimacy. The goal is not to avoid rejection at all costs, but to create a safe space where both people feel comfortable expressing their desires and boundaries. Rejection is a normal part of human interaction and must be handled with grace. Core principles. 1. Build connection first. Intimacy is the flowering of connection, not a transaction. Focus on shared experiences, conversation, and emotional rapport. 2. Look for mutual interests and enthusiasm. Pay attention to verbal and nonverbal cues. Is she engaged, touching your arm, making prolonged eye contact? Is the conversation flowing freely? 3. Understand enthusiastic consent. The standard is an enthusiastic yes, not the absence of a no. Consent is ongoing and can be withdrawn at any time. A respectful script framework. This isn't a trick. It's clear, confident, and respectful communication. Setting: a private, comfortable moment where you are both relaxed and engaged. Step 1. The check-in, verbal and nonverbal. Action: gently touch her hand or arm if the context feels right. Gauge her reaction. Does she pull away, or does she reciprocate? Lean in. Words: I'm really enjoying this time with you. Step 2. Express desire, honestly and specifically, without pressure. Words: use I statements to own your feelings. Be clear, but not crude. For a kiss: I'd really like to kiss you right now. Then pause, smile, and wait for her response. For greater intimacy later on: I feel really close to you and I am very attracted to you. I'd love to explore being more intimate with you when the time feels right for both of us. Step 3. The pause and the question, the crucial part. After stating your desire, stop talking. Give her space to process and respond. Then ask, how does that sound to you? Would you like that? Is that something you're interested in? Step 4. Gracefully accept any response. If she says yes or shows enthusiastic agreement, proceed slowly, checking in as you go. If she hesitates, says I'm not sure, or not yet, this is not a failure. Respond with respect and maturity. Words: that's completely okay. No pressure at all. I just wanted to be honest about how I feel. Then, gracefully change the subject or continue enjoying the moment. This respect builds immense trust. If she says, no atrgia monoxid, respond with dignity. Words: thank you for being honest. I appreciate that. Respect her boundary completely. Why this ethical approach is actually more powerful: it builds trust. She will feel safe with you, which is the ultimate foundation for genuine intimacy. It shows confidence. It takes real confidence to be vulnerable and risk rejection. Manipulation is a sign of insecurity. It filters for compatibility. It ensures that any intimacy that happens is between two willing, enthusiastic people. Why would you want to be intimate with someone you had to manipulate into it? It's sustainable. Tricks and manipulation are eventually discovered, destroying relationships and reputations. Respect and honesty build lasting connections. Rejection is not a reflection of your worth. It is simply a mismatch of desires, timing, or connection in that moment. Handling rejection with kindness and respect will make you a more attractive, trustworthy person in the long run. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and follow for more English vocabulary videos. Make it American or British style. Do you want me to do that next? Like, subscribe to Bellicon, our channel, to watch more such videos.